okay with you and he swim. Oh.
So, wet game of bite, yeah?
Yeah.
Wet game of bite.
He starts, I don't know why you're video.
Am I starting?
Does it have to be huge or can it just be a little slide? It has to be over halfway. I should have just allowed it and let him do it and then leave it in.
Just be a Rex or bite?
Bye.
Nice simple one.
I can't even do that. I hate pulling my wheel. I don't even see what you're doing.
Cases. Oh, 2 to get, yeah? 2 to get.
You didn't want to slide then, it just gripped onto the handle.
Oh! 2 to get, mate, yeah?
Basically face down and drag your bars round.
Oh, I just lean over the back wheel, I do, and just What was that, Kate?
I'm not even doing it.
He's going for your second try. Oh, that slid. That slid, I'll give you that.
Did I do it? I don't mean to do it, has it?
Oh!
I didn't know.
I seen him go, didn't hear the slide.
Lifted his front wheel, yeah, and then as he landed down,
Go on. Putting it
fall off.
Look at his face, he knew that he was
in. Trying to skank one, yeah, already. Yeah, you got that.
He's alright, you can hit.
Half come out of a fake.
I've come out of a fakie. Free coaster. Beautiful. Cases.
You can half that.
My foot was going to stay on the pedal at all.
Oh!
I'm not going to try it.
Are you taking letter, yeah?
That's a letter, I can't do that.
Taking letter. Yeah,
Wait, these two have still got one more try.
I haven't had a go yet.
Oh yeah. Basically straight and then.
I can't half that.
Oh. Have you rebate on it? What? Have you rebate on it?
No, I'll put it in.
Ah, come on, right, go.
That's like.
So what, you both on big?
I've got one more try.
I've got my rebate. I'm not rebating on that, I said fuck that. So what you on? Big?
Yeah, but you've got that.
Well, no, it's high, innit? You'll be on high. Yeah. No, take your rebate.
Your foot got caught.
I know. I couldn't save myself for anything then.
You're taking your rebate.
I should have my elbows on that. Trust me to go down. You can't skip if you just think you're going down, mate, because that proves it. Ah.
Yeah, that's a letter because I ain't going on a big quarter on yours.
I'm not even going to the foot for that one.
Yeah, I heard that as well. You can't.
VI.
VI. I'm on VI as well, yeah.
I'm on B.
VI. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got everybody with that, mate. None of us are trying it.
You'll go, Jack.
Yours, Jack.
Oh, you'll be alright.
Oh man, I look like a right idiot doing this. Hot one hand fakie.
So like hot.
Look, watch. Hot, take one hand off, fakie and turn out. I know, mate. Last time I tried this, I just left the bike behind altogether.
I'm definitely going to end up on my ass on this.
I didn't know if the sand came off.
No, I didn't see that.
Stand at the side of it.
I should be down. I should be down on this one,
I
really.
can't it comes off at all.
Adjudication on moving of slots. Yeah, do you know what? Yeah, it does. May only be a millimetre, but it comes off. Yeah. Andy does his half cab out afterwards. Oh dear. Buddy? You're not even trying it?
No, yeah, I can.
Oh, you're gonna film that down the side then? Because you'll have jokes with this, I'll probably end up on my arse again.
That's scary.
I know, he called it on me the other day and it was like, what? It came off. Cain's set now. Are you not taking it? You're not having a go? No. I suppose, yeah. Taking care of my bike for me, aren't you? Go on then.
Roll bar.
Roll bar, yeah. What? Roll bar feet on the pedals or roll bar feet on the...
1 foot on axle, yeah. You can do it however you want. So I know that's a letter on you. Roll bar, if I can get it, because I haven't done it on roll bar.
You seen how slow he throws them round? Yeah, look, he's well impressed with himself now, look. Oh.
That's dodgy, you know.
Yeah, I said that you can have 140 axle.
Oh god, both tried it at the same time here. Oh. You got Adam on a letter, mate. You want to be chuffed with that.
That's why I did it.
I'll best not mess this up.
Hey, it's dodgy, innit?
Single bar, mate. Single bar.
One more try. Yeah, yeah. We'll be on BIK. Yeah.
Was that both your tries? Yeah. All right.
He's gonna do a
Have you done one yet?
I'm doing
Yeah. Well.
Never seen it. We were on video.
I'm doing my relay still.
Yeah.
You need to roll away. Do it like you're standing still. BIK.
Yeah, okay, for me, man.
That's because you said what you said, mate. Rebate, eh? Rebate.
Oh, he's got no axle to stand on the back.
So I'll do it the same as Adam then, yeah?
I do it.
One more try. He's got one more try.
Alright, go one more try, yeah? Oh, yeah.
I just went.
Okay, you can't in that all day.
No, because he didn't roll away.
I've not been practicing, I promise.
Look at them all trying it now.
One foot.
Right, so back to me again.
Yeah.
Not fakey on this.
Looks like you ain't gonna get to give me a letter.
So, rock the die on the fucking box.
You what you're doing, okay?
Yeah, which side you doing it on?
Okay, let's be following in. We gave a line and everything. Oh, messed that one big time. Big one.
Adam.
Yeah, because we're not just doing single pitches.
Yeah, no.
Go on then.
Manual from the box to the quarter to fake it to half the back of it.
Oh, right, here we go.
You best.
You ready? Just a manual. I can do anything else with manual.
I'm so glad you didn't get that. That's it. Oh. You heard what he's just decided to pick?
What?
Disaster.
Yeah. I survived one more than one behind, so I'm alright.
Oh dear. So, Jack. Oh, you're gonna nick my trick, yeah, you're gonna nick my trick.
Oh, guys didn't do the pull up now. It really didn't go on the top.
Front wheel was only halfway on.
And it really didn't get on the top.
Yeah, well, I've just tried it and I've already had a try at it, and I think so I've got to pull it.
He never said that you have to hop on. He says. Oh, his dad is having his number gun. Oh, he never said that you had to hop
You need
on.
to jump on that.
He didn't say you had to spin out, he just said fake you from it.
Technicalities.
So you got I'm beat What you on? Bit. Bit. B-I-K-E.
Oh, go on, Cave.
That didn't count.
I know you didn't hop onto it, right, but yeah, don't worry about that.
Does that count?
So?
Does that count?
I don't know, you want to ask Jack?
Does that count?
Yeah, they both count, they're both still in.
Yeah. I've still got to do it yet. B-I. What's everyone on?
I'm on BIK.
This is where I used to start.
How much, dude?
Should I fast that kick?
Can't.
Me and you did the same though, how you lean forward when you hop back in.
I know, but I had
It
to.
shit me up.
Who says it now?
So.
And you got one more go?
Yeah, you got one more going.
Well, I've got to turn out of it as well.
No? Oh
Yeah. See?
yeah.
Add that. Everybody else is working that technicality, so am I. You set that. My set.
Cain set.
Oh yeah, my
Kane's
set.
set.
Lucky he's actually got the second go.
Hey, by the skin of his teeth. Ooh.
You don't want it, you're flacking.
Can't want it be flat.
Come on, what you got that we ain't?
Try it, red white.
Nothing.
Right, it makes you
Go on, there's got to be something. There's got to be some weird trick that you can do that we can't.
Free tap.
I can't freak out. And I know you. What? I don't even know you.
Come on, kidder.
Fake you all the way back to the box.
Can't do that.
Nose bunk 180.
No, he's money down the whole quarter.
Funny.
We just do a trick.
Come on, otherwise I'm going to forfeit you.
360, that's smaller.
No.
Go on, you got 5 seconds when you failed to set, you're out.
Oh.
I just air out.
Go on then.
I'm not even going.
Overcoping or undercoping?
Any. I know I ain't going over coping.
Right, so undercoping then, so we're alright with that.
That's not fair, though, is it?
Oh dear.
My foot slipped.
Adam's not right in my way as it happened.
There we go. Adam's little one.
My foot slipped like this. Your bike.
Cool.
Nasty.
Yours. Hey, it kept you upright, mate.
Felt like.
Yeah, I think my next one's going to be a little. My next one's going to be flat.
What's he even doing? He's not telling me. Alright. Yeah, cool.
On the volcano.
Just a pedal store. Wait, Cain, put that bag round your neck.
Hold this thing. Dad, wait, let me move this bag.
Yeah, move mine as well.
Just put mine inside your dad's.
What?
Just put mine inside your dad's.
Oh, Dad's doing it that side so you can't see it on the video.
I'm going to go for it.
Good job you was recording that.
Tell you what, I should have jumped off the bike when the bike was like it. I thought, I'll go for it.
I'm going to try and manual to the quarter again to fake you to just spin out of it.
No. Hey, what?
Manual to the quarter, fakey, spin out.
Still recovering from it off.
Spin out.
Manual all the way. I can rocket manual, yeah. Any manual can't.
He didn't even hear you say that either.
Oh.
Shit, too fast.
And then.
There you go. I'm out.
I think I'm out as well. Actually.
You're on BI.
Where does front wheel have to drop?
On the quarter.
Anywhere on the
Anywhere on
floor.
the quarter.
So I can rocket manual all the way there. Drop the front wheel, put my foot back on the pedal.
If you have time.
If I have time, of course I'll have time.
I don't even know how I managed to do that manual.
This is the only one that's got this. You should have.
Still got your rocket manual.
You can both have another, you can all have another rebate. You can all have one.
though, weren't you?
You can all have.
I don't want to be
This is my last try on this.
Why, you used your rebate?
No, I don't want to use it.
Are you on Cain, are you?
Yeah.
Can't believe that one.
I'll let you know, Case will be out. I'll give you all another go. You can all have one more go.
One more go. I've been doing little money.
You're still in the what? You're on K, aren't you? I'm on I. Kane's out. Casey's now out. And Jay's on BI, and now you're on K.
I haven't tried it yet.
You're right there, isn't it?
I'm out.
Probably.
I didn't even get to pull my first string.
Jack, can you have another go?
We'll have another game after, no camera though.
Yeah.
Are you having another go? Yeah, it says that you can have, everyone can have another extra go. Hey, Dad.
Why?
Dad.
Just put part in it.
That's not fella films like, has it?
Go on, Jack. Fucking do it. Are you on what? Are you? BI K.
Yeah, it has there, that
You on
hexagon
K now,
bit.
innit, Jake? Yeah, go
Yeah,
on.
I'm a BRK now.
You would have had that.
Just you and Jay and him.
Jack.
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Go on then.
What you was
I thought you was out already. That's
No, I'm on BIK. Yeah, I am.
Oh
BIK.
yeah, no, because last time round he couldn't think of something to set, did he?
Then what did I say? Oh, the air right. And
Yeah, the air out, and then I failed my set.
Your bike's horrible, man. Your bike's horrible to ride.
If you do it, you know I'm doing it. Get head fall off. I'm only going to
I'm just going to jump to it now, just to see where I'm going.
BIKE. Slide.
That's you done, yeah?
Yeah, what are you on?
BIK.
Look at that one on the video.
With a rebate.
I think we'll have this campfire in the air.
What's he doing?
Casey, it's not his set. Casey's out.
Oh, Casey's out. Oh, I've still got a video.
Who is it?
Me, you and Jack. It's your set.
My set.
Hey, Jack, video this bastard. Video this bastard.
Just a nose bump. Nose. He's off in the middle one. Yeah, right.
I could do that when I was in the fucking game.
Should have jumped volcano. Got with all the land.
I can see me blowing my feet out here, giving everybody else a laugh again. Almost had that. Almost had that.
I'm going to 180 fakie up the quarter just to...
180 fakie. God, it's starting to fucking rain as well now, isn't it?
Theory.
How far up?
I didn't say how far, I said go up it.
You mate. Somebody else needs to fall off. I can't be the only one to fall off on this channel.
Does that count as a go? Yeah, that counts as a go.
No.
Touch the ram. That defo counts as a go.
Yeah, that was. He
That
spun.
goes up, mate.
Oh, shins.
We still got one more try. You should have this.
I
If you
know.
want 180, your back wheel lands on the quarter, and then you've done it.
No, in fact it's...
Joe, what? I only 180, don't fucking slow down.
Jay, what you on? You'll be out after this.
BIKE.
BIKE.
Right, that's rebate.
Yeah, you got rebate.
Yeah.
So, who wins?
Winner. Oh, no.
No, because you're still in. You're on BIK.
It was on BIK, is that now?
Oh,
Round
free coast, the guy wins.
Round 2, ding ding ding.
Who
Youngest
wins?
or oldest?